Good morning, traders. TG Watkins here. It's Monday, November 13th when I'm recording this, and you guys might hear it in my voice, but we were at the Seahawks game yesterday. They won. It was in overtime. Unfortunately, they did let a opponent sneak into the end zone right at the end of the game and sent them to overtime, but we did win, so fortunately that worked out. But yeah, we had a great time yelling and screaming our heads off, go team, go Hawks, all that kind of stuff. So that's my wife, Jackie, over there. And this is a big thank you to Corey from the KE report over here. I do a spot with him about every 3 weeks and kind of built a bit of a friendship over the time, and told him how much we like football and Jackie loves football. He's like, hey, I got season tickets. You want to come? So if you guys want to give him a check out, this is his website, kereport.com. He's up in Vancouver, and as I said, I do a spot on there about every 3 weeks. All right, then as far as the market goes, we're trying to see if this is going to start sticking. You know, we know the Megacaps have taken off, and now what I'm looking at is I want to see if there's going to be broader participation with the market. So I'm looking at the small caps. You know, they have clearly been laggards. They really got wrecked over the last few weeks, a couple months. And at this point, they are putting in a bottoming pattern. Now we just need to see if this is actually going to go. So part of the things I'm looking at is you could say there's an inverse head and shoulders right there. And then for the Moxie indicator, we have what I call a trampoline move. So price below the 50, but the Moxie indicator above 0, that is a bullish signal as long as it starts to follow through. So we need to see confirmation because it's right there. And as long as it then starts to go up and over the hourly 50, then that's confirmed and we now have participation. So I want to see if that works out. We need to see breadth kind of broaden out. We need to see more names participate because we know that the Megacaps, so if you look at FNGU, for example, and you can see that, you know, they've definitely moved up right here, you know, big move right there. Now we need to see if the rest of the market can kind of catch up to that. They could use a break, though, the bigger names, you know, because we're up here. We just ran basically the entire freeway. That is the price action, you know, the average true range. And so all the way up there, they could use a break. And now we need to see if, you know, maybe that break is going to allow money to cycle elsewhere, or that the big names have kind of given the green light go ahead for the market, and other names are going to start picking up on that. So, all right, guys. Well, thanks again. I'm going to drink some tea today and rest my voice, but we had a great time, and thanks again to Corey.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.